Kicau mania, do you know kicau mania? Kicau mania, do you know?
Tentu saja, kicau mania itu sebutan buat para pecinta burung berkicau di Indonesia. Kita lanjut ya belajar bahasa Inggrisnya.
Yes, my name is Michael. Where are you from?
Hello Michael, I am from Indonesia, specifically from Java Island. Are you calling from outside of Indonesia?
Wah, I belum belajar tentang are you calling itu tadi. I
No,
don't
Michael,
understand.
I am not calling the cops.
You must talking Indonesian action for funny learning about beginner English. So, let's start do it.
Okay, so today we learn English ya, but with Indonesian accent, biar seru. What about we talking about your daily activities? What did you do this morning? Coba cerita.
Do you know my YouTube channel?
Wow, that's cool. I see there are several Michael Orlando on YouTube.
Hello guys, this is Google Live and I want to show you how about Google Live for English learning and improve your learning English speaking, and you can talk about everything for English and so many action India, Indonesia, Singapore, China, Thailand, something else. Okay, this is not iklan, not kerjasama, you know. Maybe you understand Indonesia kerjasama. No, saya tidak dibayar with Google. Masa Google bayar saya? Kalau udah Google bayar saya, wow, this is amazing. So now I wanna show you. So this is for simple and free. So you can tap this. Nah, oke, coba ucapkan dengan kata sederhana. Apa itu kecerdasan buatan? Dia akan menjawab.
Singkatnya, kecerdasan buatan adalah teknologi yang membuat komputer bisa berpikir dan belajar seperti manusia. Contoh paling gampang adalah asisten virtual di HP kamu, kayak Google Assistant. Mau tahu contoh lainnya?
Yes, this is for example. You can talking for bahasa Indonesia or English. So now I need you talking about something, but you must talking Indonesian action for funny learning about beginner English. So let's start do it.
Okay, so today we learn English ya, but with Indonesian accent, biar seru. What about we talking about your daily activities? What did you do this morning? Coba cerita.
Yeah, but this not morning, this night. And how about you? Morning or night or something?
My bad. Tonight is night indeed. Now at my place is night too. So what did you do tonight? Or what are you planning to do? Maybe watching movie or just relax in home?
Yes, I relax at my home, my house, because now you and me making content for my YouTube channel. Name is Michael Orlando. Do you know my YouTube channel?
Wow, that's cool. I see there are several Michael Orlando on YouTube. Do you happen to be that one? Or maybe you are a different Michael Orlando? Tell me more about your channel so I can find it.
Yeah, now I focus making content about English learning because I beginner and I wanna someday I want to making content about English for every day. I talking, I explain to my culture and my area in Indonesia, in Jakarta, Jambi, Sumatra, and something else. So, how about you? What do you mean for my idea?
Wow, that's great! Making content that merges learning English with Indonesian culture is a fantastic idea. It makes learning more fun and relatable for beginners. You can talk about everyday life in Jakarta, the food in Jambi, or things specific to Sumatra. What kind of topics do you have in mind so far?
Yeah, I wanna explain to fisherman mancing, Do you know kicau mania? Do you know kicau mania?
Oh, fisherman. So you wanna talk about fishing, like how people go fishing for a job or a hobby, yeah? What do you wanna say about fishermen and fishing?
Kadang dia nggak connect. So, do you know?
Itu bisa terjadi kalau AI-nya kehilangan konteks percakapan, terutama kalau percakapannya udah panjang atau banyak topik yang dibahas. Bisa juga karena hal teknis, kayak koneksi internet. Coba kita refresh aja pertanyaannya pelan-pelan, atau mulai dari awal kalau memang gak nyambung sama sekali. Ada yang mau kamu tanyakan lagi tentang nelayan, atau kita bahas topik lain?
Yeah, do you know kicau mania? Kicau mania. Do you know? Do you know kicau mania?
Tentu saja, kicau mania itu sebutan buat para pecinta burung berkicau di Indonesia.
I need you explain about kicau mania for English in Indonesian action like this or Jawa action. Bisa nggak?
Sure thing, I will try. So, Kicau Mania, it's like the community of people who really love birds that chirp, They like to take care of them, train them, and even join the bird contests. It's a big hobby in Indonesia where many people enjoy the beautiful sounds of the birds. How, is that clear or do you want me to add more?
Oh, okay. Kicau mania mantap.
Okay, so Kicau Mania, it's the community of people who really love birds that chirp. They like to take care of them, train them, and even join the bird contests. It's a big hobby in Indonesia where many people enjoy the beautiful sounds of the birds. How, is that clear or do you want me to add more?
Yeah, focus for English learning. So, we have try about conversation, about introduction. What is your name?
Sure, let's try. Hello, my name is Gemini, but you can call me Jem. And what about you? What's your name? Kita lanjut ya belajar bahasa Inggrisnya.
Yes, my name is Michael. What do you from? Where are you from?
Hello, Michael. I am from Indonesia, specifically from Java Island. Are you calling from outside of Indonesia?
Wah, I belum belajar tentang are you calling itu tadi.
No,
I don't
Michael.
understand.
I am not calling the cops. As a large language model, I can contact emergency services like the police or fire department. Was there something else you wanted to talk about or practice for your English lesson?
Yeah, we focus for my English lesson. So I bisa improve my English. So but my vocabulary is so very sedikit, sedikit in English I don't know, but I try and every day I learning English. I hear listening English. Yes, I suggest my mind about English every day. Like this, I talking about you for my English. This is just improvisation,
That's great, Michael. Keep practicing and gradually increasing your vocabulary is exactly how you improve. The word untuk sedikit can sometimes be literal, like a little or a few, depending on the situation. Would you like to try talking about something you did today or maybe something you are planning to do?
Yeah, maybe we can talking about Indonesia because this hampir di ujung. So, thank you. You sudah membantu saya untuk membuat konten ini. So, guys, in my mind, if you want learning English, you must try this Google Live for Gemini model AI. So because you can try about your speaking, your pronunciation, grammar, and something else about English. Like me, I every day before I sleep, I always talking with her. For example, like this content before I talking something about content YouTube, you making content YouTube, making content TikTok about everything what you need. Kicau Mania or Fisherman and about your study. So now I focus English learning. So I must speak English every day, and in my mind, I always hypnotherapy about English every day, every time I learning English, I writing English, and you can do it English speaking, because if you thinking about English have fast harus cepat bisa. No, you can stop for the moment, trust me, because I always try and fail again, try and failed again, and now I try again. So this the moment I 1 month learning English focus, and my English first, I learning English watching before my video, all my video in YouTube, in TikTok, everything I writing the text and I menghafal, and now I improve my skill about English. So why I can do this? Because every day I always learning about English with Mr. Ritueli daily. He's have 10 learning about English for beginner, but 10 learning point English with Mr. Rituel. You must learning for 10 day, but for me 1 month. But it's okay because my mind so very bad, and every day I must working and I must editing and shooting, so making video like this, and this writing my notes, I'm forget point for point, I'm forget, but menghafal, what you say, how to say menghafal if kelemahan saya, guys. But in theory in with learning with Mr. Rituel, so very easy, gampang banget dimengerti, mudah sekali, tapi beliau harus memberikan hafalan, itu yang sulit buat saya. So thank you Mr. Rituel, I harus menyelesaikan 10 video. I berjanji apa ya? Ya, saya janji akan I committed. Nah, committed ada tuh di pelajaran. I committed sampai 10-nya selesai baru kita bisa menilai kemampuan atau gimana. Tapi yang saya lakukan sekarang adalah terus mensugesti, meskipun saya tidak belajar bahasa Inggris dalam 1 hari, minimal saya mendengar atau terus mensugesti pikiran saya bahasa Inggris. Meskipun saya berbahasa Indonesia seperti sekarang, tapi yang saya bahas tetap tentang bahasa Inggris. Nah, ini akan terus saya lakukan, dan saya tahu ini sulit, ini panjang, jadi saya harus pelan-pelan, tidak mau buru-buru. Nah, konten bahasa Inggris ini akan terus saya buat. Oke, saya fokus di bahasa Inggris. Terima kasih buat kamu yang udah nonton. So, thank you for your comment in my TikTok account, Orlando English. I love you guys. I very happy for your comment, and if you comment my video, I always feedback for you. Okay, thank you and see you next video.